Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do Leetcode weekly challenge. First question, smallest even multiple. So basically in this question we are given with an integer and we are required to return that smallest multiple, which is basically multiple of 2 and this given number. So what we are given is, given a positive integer n, return the smallest positive integer that is multiple of both 2 and n. So the thing is that it is a mathematical based question only. So the thing is that when a particular number is multiple of that particular number also and 2 also, so how we get that number? So let me explain you. See, when a particular number is multiple of 2, right? So that particular number would say that number is x. So when we do modulo of that, it will return as 0, right? And then that x is basically multiple of n. Then in that particular scenario, is better do like this. In that particular scenario also, the result would be same. Now comes the part. See, let us say in other way round. If a particular number in this, if n itself is basically multiple of 2, right? If n modulo 2 is equal to 0, if that is the scenario, means basically 2 is divisible by n, right? So in that scenario, if we check for in the what we say, because here we are required with a common multiple, right? A multiple of 2 also and n also. So in this scenario, n itself is a multiple. We all know that a number itself is a multiple of itself, right? Because we see 1 into 1 equals to 1, so here 1 is multiple of 1, right? So 2 into 1, here 2 is basically multiple of 2 and 1. Then 3 into 2, here it comes out to be 6. So here 6 is basically multiple of 3 and 2, right? So here you can see that if a number is basically multiple of 2, if a number itself is multiple of 2, right? So the smallest multiple of both of the numbers would be the number itself. So if there is 4, then 4 into 2 is equals to 8, right? So here what I want to say is that if we do 4 modulo 2, then it comes out to be 0, right? Because 4 is itself the multiple of 2 only. So here the number itself would be the answer. Basically, I am saying that if n modulo 2 is equals to 0, then our answer would be simply equals to n. Because now the smallest multiple of both of them would be the number itself. Else the thing is that if n modulo 2 is not equals to 0, that is that number is not multiple of 2, then surely we are required to multiply both of them and get our answer. So this is the only context of this particular question. It is a simply mathematical based question and the time complexity is directly order of 1 only, because what all we are doing is this part or we are doing this part. So it's directly order of 1 and the space complexity again is order of 1. So that's how we are required to do this question. In this question, so as per these logic only, you can directly code this in if-else condition, that if it is modulo of if by doing modulo by 2 for that number, if it comes out to be 0, then our answer would be number itself. Else our answer would be multiplication of n into 2 and that would be our answer. So this is how we are required to do this question. So let us go to the code walkthrough of this question. So here you can see it is a straightforward code, that what we are doing is as it is a multiplication thing, that's why we are initializing answer with 1. So here we are checking that if n modulo 2 is equal to 0, then in context we will be returning n itself. Else in that criteria, if our n modulo 2 is not equals to 0, then in that context what we are doing is we are simply multiplying our n with the 2 and that would be our answer. And at the end returning our answer. So this was all for this particular question. Hope you like the explanation. If you like the explanation, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And please do share among your friends. So yeah, this was all. Thank you.